Gonna make some cement stepping stones. Use a little mold from Hobby Lobby. Got some terracotta cement color. That one box will fill an 80-pound bag of cement. Then I've got some 5,000 psi cement mix. Just mixing it with water, and I'm mixing it a little wetter than I'm supposed to. I will give you that, but I mix all the dry ingredients to get the color throughout the cement, right? And then I add some water once it's mixed. And really, you only want to add enough water so that it is gritty and it's together. I add a lot more to make it a lot more wet because I want a smoother base on the inside of the mold. Now, it won't be as strong, but since I intend just for these to be decorative, and we're putting, each one for a person in the family um, with some stamps, it really doesn't have to be that strong because it's more for a garden than for an actual stepping stone. My idea is maybe if this works and my wife likes it, to buy some driveway pavers that are about 3 inches thick and, set them out as a parking lot where you can actually drive on and just do them, as I have time, because you can make a driveway paver for about $1 a square foot. So says the instructions. All right. So I just trowel it off once I get it mixed. I let it sit, and then once it hardens a little bit, I'll go ahead and stamp in my design. Let it sit for 24 hours, and then I'll flip it over and take it out. Here they are, ready to come out, and the inside is really shiny and smooth. It pops out just like an ice cube tray. And once I get this out, I'm going to show you some of the other ones I've done. Some I've put designs on, and some are just basic pavers. The one in the middle I took out before 24 hours and it broke. But other than that, they're turning out pretty good.